Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install a brand new mailbox and stand. Unfortunately, ours got ran over. Let's go outside and get started.
All right, DIYers outside now. Let's go to the entrance of our driveway. One thing we noticed to the left are tire marks right here. And they extend about 15 to 20 feet down the road, meaning the vehicle involved veered off the road about 15 to 20 feet from our driveway, hopped over our driveway. Tire marks start right here. That's a good portion of the vehicle to be off the road, unfortunately. That is where the mailbox was hit, uprooted, and dragged. About 10 feet. You'll notice the post is broken. The mailbox door and box itself are badly damaged, not really salvageable. So from here, let's head to our local hardware store, purchase a brand new mailbox and post and install it. Hopefully the vehicle involved did not incur too much damage. However, more importantly, hopefully whoever was driving made it home safely and in one piece. Back to the mailbox, our mail was scattered all over here and way out into the road. Kind of wild. Let's go ahead and pick this up, take it up to the house. Back from our local Lowe's, here is what we purchased. We purchased the Coolidge Black in-ground steel mailbox post. And there's some information on it. Sold separately is the mailbox. Nothing fancy, just a plastic mailbox. Here is the number stickers that we will put on. Let's go ahead and open everything up and take a look at what we're dealing with. There is our DIY Raptor. Here's what it looks like inside the box. I also want to show you the measurements here. 52.8 inches high. Here's some more information. Not sure if that will be helpful to you. Let's pull it out. Out of the box now, it comes wrapped up and taped up. Everything's out of the box. Verify you have all your parts. Step number one, we're going to lay the post down. You have holes. We're going to align the holes, insert this joiner, and you have headless screws that you are going to insert and secure with this Allen wrench. I'm starting with this post first. And the headless screws, you'll notice one side is closed, one side is for the Allen wrench. And tighten it first and secure it with the Allen wrench. The way this works, you want to insert and secure the bolt until you have resistance, and then turn it maybe one or two more times to extend this internal joiner to secure it to the inner portion of the pipe. We'll do the exact same thing for this pole. That is what it'll look like after you are done combining the two poles. Here's what the pole looks like standing up, and depending on the size of your mailbox, you may have to install and secure these braces. In our case, we do not have to. However, if you do have to, just align the holes right here to the holes right there, secure it with the Phillips bolts, and do that for both sides. You've got two of these braces, again, in the event that you've got a large mailbox that you purchased. Back on site, and go ahead and push your pole down into the dirt. Quick update, DIYers. I found it so much more beneficial to remove the poles from each other, pull out the joiner, and sink your base pole until it is solidly firm inside your ground. From here, I'll reinsert the joiner, and I've got the holes in the back for presentation. You won't see the holes from the road, and I'll secure everything back together. Making progress. Here's what it looks like. Again, the holes are in the rear, so they are not visible for presentation purposes. Let's go grab the mailbox. Next, grab your mailbox and become familiar with where your holes are drilled inside the mailbox as well as on the side. Go ahead and rest it in place and align your screw holes. After resting the mailbox on the stand, trying to align the holes, it was clear that we had to insert and secure the braces. Apparently we bought a large mailbox. That was not by design. Next, grab your bag of hardware. You've got a whole bunch of different sizes. The larger ones are mainly for inside the mailbox. However, if they are not long enough to secure the mailbox to the brace, you have several different options. Go ahead and match the bolt size and hardware to your mailbox and secure it to the braces. Mailbox is secured to the braces we just installed. The holes lined up perfectly, and we are going to put the numbers right here. Come to the back side You've got little rubber grommet gaskets that go right in the holes that those headless bolts were on. Just like that. There's 1 and 2. And that is it, DIYers. Hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And we'll dust it off. Flag works perfectly. We are happy. One last thing, I just wanted to give you the item numbers and part numbers for the mailbox as well as the stand.